In 1984, a late-night radio show at Ada Junction captured something no one alive could explain. Host Kwame Taki suddenly froze and whispered on air, "There's someone else in the studio." But security said he was alone. A slow, heavy creak echoed on the broadcast, and footsteps circled his mic. Then, a second voice cut through the static. "Broken. Not human. You left me, you left me." Kwame begged the engineer to cut the feed. But even after they shut down the station's power, the broadcast didn't stop. Police found Kwame trembling. It was her, the girl who died, calling the station. Her name was Amara, a caller who drowned during a live show. Her last words? "Please, don't go." And some say, you still hear her at midnight on 96.7 FM.